So we're back with Serg. Serg, how many of these motors have you done before?
Oh my goodness, a lot.
A lot? A lot is an understatement. So Serg knows these motors inside and out. Serg is using a pressurized tool to apply pressure, push out the coolants on possible leak areas. Common issues are what, Serg? Water pump, thermostat.
The water pump after 100,000 miles or 10 years. The pipe from thermostat and the oil separator start leaking.
I did change the water pump at around 70,000 miles. However, it is indeed leaking from underneath. So essentially, it's about time that this work was done on my car. PCV valve needs to be replaced, the gasket, the pipes.
The PCV. That's from 2012, and they start leaking the coolant inlet, coolant, and they start leaking not out, start leaking inside an engine, and coolant goes to the oil. Where you have coolant.
So right from that seal, right? Like you were saying before with the coolant pipe. Okay.
Usually this pipe went bad, we replaced the whole pipe, but you are lucky nothing happened with that pipe. Because here's in that place a lot of heat and that plastic piece coming out and car start leaking coolant from here, from that pipe. But on this time we're gonna replace only O-ring on that pipe. Look at difference. New gasket.
Yeah, it's raised.
Especially inner side.
Yeah, it's like complete, almost gone.
And that start leaking from here.
Alright, so this is Duke.
What's up, guys?
We were working on his B8.5 A4.
Wait. Before she gets angry, Tanya's A4.
Okay, Tanya's A4, and we were putting in a test pipe, I think, last time, right? And make sure to follow his channel. He's also working on a Supra and an R32 GTO.
Oh yeah.
So a lot of content coming your way.
Absolutely.
Let's say someone's working on the thermostat. What's the easiest way to replace that without?
To remove this pipe. You
So
need to lose these freaking bolts to here and to here, and pop it a little bit back, and after you replace the thermostat. No other way. It's clean.
and that side is clean.
This side.
Yeah, you see the built-up coolant, fresh coolant. Yeah, so looks like it was pinched off over here and it was leaking, right?
This the gasket's flat,
Yeah,
and we have sign.
of a leak. All the dirt's collected right there. All right. Thermostat, water pump, PCV valve have all been installed.
Tips with the injectors. You need to put always oil on the O-ring. If you're not gonna put the oil, there's high pressure that's gonna be leak. Any ring when you install, put the oil. That's gonna be installed easy and smooth without any issue. We install the manifold, these flaps, without moving the flap. You see? When I press on the flap, flap stop. You need to lift a little bit. Up and close. Look now. Supposed to sit like this. This bolt for the intake manifold, always when you install, 8 newtons, not more. If you push it a little bit too much, break the thread. Easy to break the thread.
So I just turned on the ignition. So what were we looking for?
checking if injector not leaking. If we install properly intake manifolds, both sides, and when we turn the ignition on, that we build a little bit pressure in the rail, so we can check if no fuel leak.
Everything's good?
See the pressure in the rail?
Yeah.
Supposed to be going up when everything's good.
Okay.
That's how to check the injectors.